Assalamualaikum and good evening, student. How are you today? Are you good?
I'm fine.
Waalaikumsalam. I'm good.
Okay, everyone is good. Okay. My name is SYAHIRAH binti SUFFIAN and you can call me Teacher AUNI, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, student. Before we start our class, we would like to remind our class rule, which are first, you need to always open your camera. Second, please mute your mic. But if you want to say or ask something, you are allowed to unmute your mic. And lastly, please wear an appropriate attire when join our meet. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
Okay, good. For our class today, the learning objectives are first, given the diagram, students should be able to identify matter and non-matter comprehensively. Second, given the diagram, students should be able to state at least 3 conversions between states of matter. And third, given the diagram, students should be able to describe the 3 states of matter correctly. Okay, before we start our class, I want to ask you, what the object in this picture? Anyone can answer?
Rainbow.
Okay, good. Based on this picture, what is the difference between this picture? Anyone can give your opinion? Okay,
For the
Ashkin.
table, I think it's something that can we touch for the table. And for the rainbow, I think it's something that we cannot be touched.
Yes, correct, Ashkin. Okay, any other answer?
For table, it's a matter, and for a rainbow, it's a non-matter.
Yes, that's good, Anis. So that is actually the topic that we will learn today. It is the basic concept of matter. Okay, next. What is the matter? So you need to know that matter is something that has mass, volume and occupied space. And it is opposite with non-matter, where non-matter does not have mass, volume and having no space. Or we can say that it does not have any appearance, but it is exists. And matter has 3 states, which are solid, liquid and gas. Are you clear, student?
Yes,
Clear,
teacher.
teacher.
Yeah. Okay, good. So if everyone is clear, can you give some example for matter and some example for non-matter?
Emotion. Sunlight.
Matter
Emotion for what?
apple.
Matter or
Non-matter.
non-matter? Okay,
Non-matter.
good. For matter?
Apple.
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 Banana.
Okay,
Hot air
banana.
balloon.
Okay, good. Um, okay, everyone is correct. Example of matter such as apple, rain, hot air balloon, and for non-matter such as emotion, electricity, or sunlight. Okay, let's continue with our lesson. The changes in the state of matter actually caused by heating or cooling. And when heating, heat energy will be absorbed. Meanwhile, when cooling, heat energy will be released. From the slide, we can see that there are conversion between state of matter due to the heat energy. And the changes from solid to liquid is caused by melting process, liquid to gas is boiling or evaporation process, and for these two processes, heat energy absorbed. As for state changes from gas to liquid, it is condensation process, and liquid to solid is freezing process and due to heat energy release. Okay, do you have any questions, student?
So far,
No,
no,
teacher.
No, teacher.
Okay, no. If there's no question, we will move to the activity 1. And for this activity, I will assign one question for each of you, and you need to state what the change of matter state from what to what and what the conversion process involved. Okay, okay, student.
Okay,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay, clear, teacher.
Okay. So for the first question, wet clothes drying in the sun. I want Fazrin to ask this. Fazrin, can you answer this?
Yes, teacher.
All right, nice. You can answer right now, but after this, I will call your name. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. For the second question, butter in a hot pan. It is for Iza. Okay, Iza?
Okay, and sure, teacher.
Okay. For the next third question, glass of ice cold soda sitting outside on a hot summer day. Wahida, can you answer this?
Sure, teacher. Can.
Okay. Okay. Question 4. Water is kept in freezer. It is for Anis. Can you, Anis?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. For the last question, heated water to cook Maggi for Ashiken.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Are you done, Fazrin?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What your answer?
The answer is from liquid to gas. It is the evaporation process.
Okay. Let's see the answer. Yes, correct, Fazrin. A clap for Fazrin. Okay. For the second question, Iza, what's your answer?
The answer is from solid to liquid, and the process is melting process.
Okay, good job, Iza. It is a melting process which is solid to liquid. Next, Wahida.
The answer is gas to liquid, and the process involved is condensation process.
Okay, let's see the answer. Yes, correct. Big clap for Wahida. And for question 4, Anis.
Liquid to solid, and the process is freezing process.
Good job, Anis. The answer is correct. Next, for the last question, Ashike.
Liquid to gas, and it is a boiling process.
Let's see the answer, okay? Yes, it is correct. Okay, good job, student. All your answer is correct. Give a big clap to yourself and your classmate. Okay, so in this part, you must remember that there are 5 conversion between state of matter, which are melting, boiling, evaporation, condensation, and freezing process. You get it, student?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Okay, next for our last part, it is about the kinetic theory of particle. In solid state, the arrangement of particle is closely packed in an orderly manner. Kinetic energy is low and attraction force between particles is strong. Compared with the liquid state, where the arrangement is also closely packed but not in orderly manner. As for kinetic energy, it is higher than solid state and the attraction force is strong but also less than solid state. And lastly, as in gas state, the particles are far apart. Kinetic energy is very high but the attraction force is weak compared to other state. Clear, student?
Clear,
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher,
teacher.
clear.
Okay, with everything clear, I want to ask, between gas and liquid, which state that particle is freely move? Wahida, can you answer it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what do
Um,
you answer?
I think yes.
Yes, it's correct. So, why in gas state particle can freely move? Fazrin, do you have any
Um,
idea?
I think because the particles are far apart.
Yes, it's correct. Wahida and Fazrin already give a correct answer. So, I hope the other student also can understand about the kinetic theory of particle in solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, student. So far, is everything is good?
Yes,
Yes,
Good,
good,
teacher.
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 Okay, if everything is good, let's do our last activity, which is Kahoot time. And I will share the pin number and all of you need to join, okay?
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher.
Okay, you can join now. you done, student? Can you join it?
Sorry, teacher, I cannot join because of the internet connection.
Oh, it's okay. Do you have any paper, Iza?
Yes.
Okay. You can also write the answer on the paper, and after this I will ask you. Okay?
Alright. Sure, teacher.
Boleh dah Anis tu. Boleh dah.
Wahida, can you join?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start.
Tapi agak punya kuning.
First question, which of the following is the arrangement of particle in a book? A, B, C. Okay. The answer is C. Next. Kinetic energy of solid state is higher than liquid state. True or false? False. Okay. Attraction force between particles in air is A, B, C. Okay, good. Next. Matter made up of tiny and discrete particles. True or false? True, okay. And lastly, which of the following is the arrangement of particles in water steam? Okay. Everyone already done? Let's see who's the winner. In the third place, Fazrin. Second, Ashiken. And the winner is Wahida. Congrats, everyone. Okay, Okay, Anis and Iza. Do you get the same answer as other student?
Yes, teacher. I got all correct for the all questions.
Okay, good. Be clear for yourself and your classmate. Okay. Before we end our session, do you have any question regarding to our topic?
No, teacher.
No,
So
teacher.
far, no, teacher.
Okay, good student. Okay, as conclusion, can anyone tell me what have you learned for today class?
Teacher, can I
Yes,
answer?
yes, Fazrin.
Today we learn about the matter and non-matter, and then we also learn about the kinetic theory for the particles.
Okay, good job. Good job, Fazrin. Okay, correct. So I hope that you can identify the matter, conversion between state of matter, and also understand about kinetic theory of particles. Okay, student, for enhance your knowledge about today's topic, I already assigned a tutorial in our Google Classroom. So you need to answer it before or on 14 January 2024 before the 12 a.m. Clear, student?
Clear,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, student. See you in the next class. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Bye-bye.